How to make your do-it-yourself eyelash extensions last longer. Make sure you're applying enough lash bond onto the base of your lash clusters. When you open your lash bond, you'll notice that a lot of lash bond actually collects on the wand of the tube. Look at all that lash bond right there. We don't want to waste it. When applying lash bond onto each cluster, this is the motion you should be doing. The cluster should be coming towards you. You're essentially scooping the lash bond onto the base of the lash cluster, just like this. Make sure you're focusing on getting the lash bond onto the top of the lash cluster and not the bottom. This is what it should look like when you're done. And this is a reminder of which is the top and bottom of the lash cluster. You want to collect almost like a 3D shaped glob of lash bond on each lash cluster. Our lash bond is clinically tested, made in Korea, ophthalmologist approved, and latex free. It is very gentle, even on sensitive eyes, so feel free to add more lash bond when needed. Although this is a good amount for most people. Here you can see the difference between a cluster that has lash bond on it and one that doesn't. If you're having difficulty getting enough lash bond on a lash cluster, make sure you're shaking your lash bond before use. You can also store it upside down. This tube was a bit dry, but after shaking it, it's like a brand new tube. Another tip is to make sure that you're always closing the bottle tightly when it's not in use to avoid drying it out. Hope this video was helpful. Okay, bye.